I, JV and Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Program MSc Mathematics, second semester, Numerical Computation, and BCom, fourth sem, Quantitative Techniques. And session of today is presentation of data. So, method by which the people organize, summarize, and communicate information using a variety of tools such as table, graph, and diagram. Presentation of data can be classified in two ways. One is tabular presentation and another is visual presentation. Visual presentation again classified in two ways: graphical presentation and diagrammatic presentation. Use of presentation: easy and better understanding of the subject, provides first-hand information about data, helpful in future analysis, easy for making comparison, very attractive. Principle of presentation: data should be presented in simple form, arouse interest in reader, should be concise but without losing important details, facilitate further statistical analysis, define problem and should suggest its solution. Tabulation: it is a systematic and logical arrangement of classified data in row and column. Or in front of you a, a pictorial a classified data present in a row and column. In one column sport and another column peoples. Significance of tabulation: it simplifies complex data, unnecessary detail and repetition of data avoided in tabulation, facilitate comparison, give identity to data, reverse pattern with the figure which can be sent in the narrative form. Rules of tabulation: a number should be assigned to the table, a title should be given to the table, it should be concise and self-explanatory, contents of the table should be defined clearly, subjects should be properly mentioned with column and row. Group interval in column and row should neither be too narrow nor too wide. They should also be mutually exclusive. Unit of measurement must be mentioned clearly where ever necessary. Any short form symbol it used should be explained in the footnote. No place should be left in the body of tables. There should be logical arrangement of data in table. So this is the table in this regard. Precaution: when we present the data in table form, table should suit the size of paper. Caption and steps should be arranged in some systematic order. Unit of measurement should be clearly defined and given in the table. Figures should be rounded to avoid necessary detail in the table, and footnote to this effect should be given. Type of tables: basis of purpose, reference table, text table, and basis of content, simple table and complex table. Complex table can be again classified into the three-way: double table, triable tables and multiple tables. So this is the classification. Reference table: these tables present the original data for reference purpose. It contains only absolute and actual figure and round number of the percentage. Tabular presentation of data and text table. So construct to present selected data from one or more general purpose of the table. This is the table in front of you. It brings out the specific point of answer to a specific question. It includes ratio, percentage, average, etc. It should be found in the body of the text. Or simple table, and it is double table where uh, number of column increases, and triple table again number of column increases, and multiple table there are many columns, so it is the multiple table. And graph diagram advantage, they are attractive, they give a bird's eye view of the data, they can be easily understood by common men, they facilitate comparison of the various characteristics, the impression created by them are long lasting. Theorems and result of statistics can be visualized using graph. And limitation of the presentation of data are, they are visual aids, they cannot be considered as alternative for numerical data. So theories and results could be easily visualized by the diagram and graph. Mathematical rigor cannot be brought in. Diagrams and graphs are not accurate as tabular data. Only tabular data can be used for further analysis. By diagrammatically and graphically misrepresentation observes can be mislead easily. It is possible to create wrong impression using the diagram and graph. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.